Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this Honda key fob without any special tools. You don't need anything except a new battery, which is a CR2032, and the key fob that has actually died. Now this generation of key fobs was used in Hondas around the 2010s. This is from my 2016 Honda Odyssey hybrid, which is why it has a blue back. Petrol and diesel cars will have a black back typically, but regardless of what type of engine you have, the process is the same. So the first thing you need to do is remove the emergency key, and you do that by sliding up this tab here and just pulling the shiny metal end here, and it comes out. That is your emergency key. If we take a quick look around the fob itself, you'll notice there's a seam here, and that actually separates the two halves of this key fob, and we need to open it up and get at the battery inside it. The two halves of this key fob have little islands that jut out here, and what you need to do is insert the key, emergency key, in such a way that it's kind of wedged in between these two halves. So you need to force it a little bit. As you can see, it's nice and deep there, kind of touches the bottom, and then you just kind of twist. Now, when you first twist, one side will open up more than the other. This side hasn't really opened up, and this side has. That'll actually make it hard for you to pull the two halves apart. So what we need to do is insert it once again and give it a turn, and hopefully, there we go. Now that we've got the two halves actually split apart on both sides, we can actually take it apart. But before we do that, keep in mind that you want the side with the buttons to be facing towards the table here. And I'll open it up and I'll show you why. So there you have the two halves. The reason why you want the buttons facing down and towards the table is that if you flip this half the other way, what happens is the buttons and the circuit board that it's attached to and the seals and stuff like that, they will all come apart and you'll have to put it back together. And depending on how many buttons that you have here, that can be a little bit tricky. So don't do that. Now, depending on the key fob and the car that you have, you might have little metal tabs here holding down the battery, or as in this case here, you might have little plastic tabs holding down the batteries. Regardless, the type of battery that you want is a CR2032, so make sure you have a new one of those before you start this process. So with the plastic tabs, what you want to do is you want to turn it like this, and you want to get your nail, such as it is, underneath the battery and pull it out. Now the plastic tabs are holding it in, so as you're pulling it up with, say, your thumb, just kind of pull back on one of the tabs here a little bit, and that'll give you enough leverage and space to get it up. And once it's free like that, the rest of it comes out. And there you go, that's your battery removed. After a lot of scissor work, I've got a new battery out, and I'm going to insert it here. So you just kind of push it in like so. It's very easy, you don't have to do any finagling. And now, because the buttons haven't fallen out, you can just put it back together. So the shiny metal end with the holder is up here, and you just kind of press it together like a sandwich. And there you have it. It's all together. The buttons and the seals haven't fallen out. And you just insert your emergency key back in, and voila, you've replaced the battery on this Honda key fob, and you just take it to the car and test it out and make sure that it works. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below, and I will answer them as best as I can. Don't forget to like and subscribe, that really helps the channel, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.